Hello students. This video will help you practice pronouncing the 10 words that will be in the extra credit section of the test that we will have at the end of next month. This extra credit section, remember, is optional. You do not have to do it. But I think this video will be useful for you to practice these words, which are common words. They are words that it's good to know. Here we go. There are 10 words. I will show you the word and then pronounce it for you. So you can practice. You can guess, then listen to me, and then repeat. Here we go. Fail, fail. Sounds like say. Fall, fall. Sounds like call. Fell, fell. Sounds like get. Fill, fill. Sounds like fix. Feel, feel. Sounds like need. Full, full. Sounds like good. Foul, foul. Sounds like out. Fool, fool. Sounds like rule. Foil, foil. Sounds like boy. And last, fuel, fuel. Sounds like use.